Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted emails in Gmail. So I'm going to be showing you two ways how you can recover this, and the first way is by using trash bin. So what this means, basically if I delete right now those emails, I'll put them in the trash. You can still find them right here in the trash because they are stored here for the next 30 days, and after the 30 days they will be removed permanently. So you can just go here and you can select the emails you want to recover, click on Move To, and here choose Inbox. It will get to your inbox back. So that's the first way how you can recover your emails. Now the second way I'm going to show you is by using a Gmail recovery tool. So you can find this tool right in the Gmail. You will just click on this support icon or this question mark right here next to the settings. Click on Help. And here we want to find the recovery tool. So you want to use this search bar in the help, type recovery, press enter. And it's this first option, Gmail message recovery tool. If you click on this, it's going to open this window. So here you want to basically confirm this is your email, and it will try to recover emails that were deleted within the last 30 days. So click on continue. Unfortunately, in my case, it didn't found any emails, but you can try this by yourself and see how it goes. So those are two ways how you can recover your emails in Gmail. If you found this video at least a little bit helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.